Good morning. You're in your class. You scroll up and you will see the name of our course. You'll click on announcements. You'll see the announcements I have made in the last 48 hours. You can go ahead and read those. It gives you copies to links, and when you scroll up, our textbook, scroll up a little bit further, you'll see how you get onto Google Meets. Scroll up a little bit further and you'll see the email welcome hello that I sent to you. You will also see that I've reposted contact information, which I will continue doing throughout the course so that if you lose where you've saved it, you'll be able to find it again.